If you like the Nürburgring, and assuming you do because you clicked on this video, go to nürburgring.com where you can find all kinds of Nürburgring licensed products co-designed by me, ranging from socks to official Nürburgring 360 roadbook co-written by me, and even Christmas sweaters, including kids collection, and many more Nürburgring licensed products to come. So go to nürburgring.com, which stands for Nürburgring Embassy, and become our brand ambassador. I almost thought this was AMG sign with its HPA. So, and it's, you can tell it's something special. So tell us more about it. Actually, I'm going to start by saying that we met earlier this year at Autosport International when we were also exhibiting with Vulcan Alpha and Track Speed and Novasim. And we ran into each other just on the show, and you said, I would like you to drive my car. And I'm like, let's make it happen. Then you came somewhere mid-year. May. Didn't happen because you had some issues or something?
Yeah, throttle body failed, unfortunately.
Yeah, and now you're back, and I managed, and it was really good. I'm very happy that we made it happen, and I'm very happy that this is not a stereotype. Oh, I've been at Autosport International, it's show and shine car, but doesn't perform on track. It's definitely not that. Yeah. And we can say that it's actually quite a nice sleeper look car. If you would close the bonnet, you wouldn't see any mods. Yes, of course, we have AP Racing brakes, which is proper, and Nankang CRS tires and Team Dynamics wheels, yep. Other than that, it looks quite, modest. Very nice, very clean build. But this is actually very important. The engine. You told me 398 horsepower?
398, yeah.
398, and that's a very specific number and also a very modest number. And after driving the car, I can tell you it's a very legit number because it's not overblown 500 plus. Yes, it's just healthy, proper 400 horsepower. On the crank or on the wheels though?
It'd be crank.
Yeah, and
crank,
no, really nice. So, anything worth mentioning on the build? Anything specific? I mean, a lot. You told me you put like 50 grand on the car.
How far do we go? It's got full hard race spherical bearing, rear arms, true rear coilovers, solid diff mounts, solid prop shaft mounts, tyres, brakes.
What pads are we running?
Project Mu. Ceramics.
Yeah. But when it comes to the engine, I mean, it's more than just a turbo bolt-on and a few intake exhaust mods, right?
Yeah, so it's 83mm, oversized was the pistons, peg rods, ACL race bearings, full...
So it's a stroker kit, it's like 2.1 or something then?
Yeah, roughly.
Yeah.
Like 2 points.
Yeah.
5,
tiny bit more, yeah.
Right. And then built head, it's good for 500-600 braking.
Yeah. Which you gonna do in the winter?
I've got a G30 770 coming for it. Hopefully for start of next year.
Nice.
Really go for it.
Yeah.
See what it does.
So you're gonna come back again then?
Absolutely.
Nice. No, this was really good. The only issue we had is we ran into sort of a cooling problem. It started getting hot, and therefore, I definitely backed off to make sure that this stays all in one piece. But this had to do with the map, you said, probably?
So yeah, I had issues with the turbo. It only literally had one revision.
Very fast BYD. Yeah.
Had one revision on the dyno, RCS tuning. We worked a week on end trying to get it sorted. We couldn't get it sorted, so I done literally one map, fixed the actuator, and now we're here doing it. Nice.
Yeah, needs a bit of work when it comes to cooling / map, but it was fantastic. Like, we had a really good lap. I mean, if you haven't skipped by now, you might skip by now when I tell you we were like really having a great lap with the G80 M3 and after that with 997 GT2. Yeah, that driver was also on it. Well, yeah, anyway, aside from the engine, all the supporting mods are there as well. We have also the car full position seats, which are very good with short harnesses, so like traditional combo. Is this like Cooler Works shifter or something?
Yeah, Cooler Works shifter.
Yeah, also that does the job nicely. Alcantara wheel. We have water meth injection over there. Yep, you can see it on the back more in detail. We have something over there, we have something over here. So I like how this has like the cover of the, or like what's it called? It looks hidden very nicely. It's wrapped in the same material that you have for the trunk space. So that looks very nice. And the half cage. So everything is like very nice and clean, and it's amazing. Really loved it. It's definitely one of the best Audis I've driven. Yeah, and setup wise was very good. And I love it when the car is built and it's not, yeah, you know, when people say like it has 600 horsepower and you get into it like, maybe half of that for 2 corners. But in this case it was, yeah, 400 all the way. So you can find out more. Spam the owner with all your questions, because I'm gonna go to my wife and kid and get some dinner. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, and then yeah, see you next year with more power. But for now, enjoy. By the way, yes, towards the end, I got a bit like, did I smoke the brakes because we were making noise? But you're not running any like springs or seals, and it's just
full
like
BTCC kit.
yeah.
Makes all the noise.
Yeah, makes all the noise. A proper race car when it comes to that. And because everything is so solid, mounted, pushed, the subframe is cracking a bit,
Yeah,
but
it makes a cracking noise when it pulls itself.
Yeah, exactly. But it's nothing, nothing bad. You would think so. Yeah. Well, the lap was good, so I think it was good. Oh, someone doing pops and bangs. Anyway, enjoy the lap. It was really epic. All right, welcome to the lap. Let's switch off the aircon, because hope I won't need it today. Yeah, Audi S3. Oh, let's not forget our gloves. You know, extra horsepower, all that stuff. But actually, extra grip definitely on an older Alcantara steering wheel. It definitely makes sense. Very fast M4 behind us, but we're not slow either. What's the red line? Ah, look at this. Hello. So, US delivery car ahead of us. A US spec Porsche that got picked up by a new owner, by the first owner from the factory. And the boost is kicking in quite low, but the red line is also quite high, so you cannot really complain. That was good. Oh, he's very off the line. A bit overdriving it, but I really love this car so far. Like, the setup is really nice, everything seems to be... What? Spoke too soon. The rebound compression is a bit not perfect, but everything else works, so... And he's off. Definitely 500 plus, considering the stock is 500 plus. So, that was interesting. Oh, someone spilled oil in the bottom of Axel. Not good. Very good cautious overtaking by the M3 ahead of us. And he's gone. Oh, he's very nervous in the corners. Rotation. I really like it. For a usually understeery S3, the turn-in is really good. well on the brakes, because there's some good modularity happening. And now it's gonna come the real test of a built engine, modified engine, because we're gonna start the climb. Oh, that was very close to the right curve, very good. So the water temp is slightly above 90 right now, so we are getting in a warm territory. Nothing too crazy yet. Let's see if it can keep up. Going to back off, let the car cool down because the temperature is actually still rising. So let's 130. We're on the boiling side, so yeah, let's cool down. La 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 la. Please start dropping. Please start dropping. That's a very rough patch. Yeah, okay, it's dropping somewhat. So. Yeah, that's unfortunate because it was very nice to have this lap. So now is the last lap of the day because the track will be shut in the next 5 minutes. So you can see all the fast boys are going out for a very fast lap. Yeah, it's dropping to 90. We're almost good. La 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 la. Hello. Hello, Martin. This is a peace sign. In certain countries, it may mean something else, but I meant peace to Martin. I mean, the engine's already on 90, so we're good to go. But yeah, other than that, I really love the setup. Like the setup and the engine. Wrong stalled. GT2, wow. Alright, we can go again. We're on top of the hill. We exchanged one fast white car ahead of us for another. Oh. Cautious overtake. That's what the recovery truck was for. It's unfortunate because it was a lot of fun. Oh, he's gone on the straights. unfortunately the car was getting hot, and I don't even have AC on, so we couldn't do the climb. I won't say typical, but typical modified engine issue that it just gets too hot. But everything else, really good. Like, it didn't go in the limp mode, it didn't explode, it just got hot and we slowed down and that's it. Handling wise, one of the best handling Audis I've experienced. Aside from R8 and stuff. I think we're hearing some brake or something. Either brake or... yeah, I think maybe the back brakes are a bit tired, judging by the sound, but wow. And great lap. I mean, the first with the G80 M3, then followed later by the GT2. Such a nice surprise. Really, really enjoyed it. I'm really happy we could make this happen, because although maybe I didn't really talk a lot because I was more focused on driving and following the cars ahead of me because it was so much fun, but everything just works. Brakes, tires, suspension. It's not Nürburgring setup, so yeah, you could have a bit better setup for the for handling the curbs. But other than that, and the cooling issue, but I really liked it. I mean, it's not perfect for a full lap, full send, but when it works, aside from being overheated, loved it.